question goes, Shalom Aleichem, Kol thank you for the Shiur. Question: in regards to the law for self-defense, does someone need to explicitly threaten you with death, or is a threat of bodily harm enough of a reason to respond proportionally?
Yes, it does not have to be death. Yes, somebody is a violent person. Yeah, you can respond accordingly. Yes. But you have to take into consideration the character of that person. Some people just they threaten to kill everybody, the whole world, but they're so afraid of their shadow that they start shaking, like even in the sun. So we have to see who is talking. Is it a person who just threatens and 3 seconds later he will forget, or somebody who delivers on his threat? So that's very important. Right, and that's actually one of the rules with Loshon Hara as well. If you allow to tell somebody that somebody threatened him, you have to analyze who is this person. Okay. Anyone else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.